Hi everyone and welcome back to my monster dolls tutorial. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to crochet the legs of your monster. We start first row with 6 single crochet into a magic ring. On second row we will have an increase in each stitch around. We will finish second row with 12 stitches. This is my first increase. I will go for my second. That means 2 single crochets into the same stitch. This is my second. I go for my third one and then the next one, and I'll continue to do so until I finish the round. This is my last increase. I can go to third row and start with a single crochet into the first stitch and increase into the next one. Here I will have an increase, so 2 single crochets into the same stitch. Let's repeat this and have 1 single crochet into the next one and an increase. 1 and 2. Again, 1 single crochet and then an increase. By the end of third row I will have 18 stitches. Continue to do so until you finish the round. After finishing round 3, I'm ready to insert the plastic leg piece and make sure it's firmly secured with the safety part. Once that's in place, I can continue working the remaining rounds to finish the leg. Now from row 4 to row 8, I will only single crochet a round. I will have 18 single crochets per round. So I'll meet you back here at the end of row 8. Basically, you will have 5 rounds of single crochets. Our leg is now ready. You need to repeat the exact same steps for the second one. Just remember, do not cut the yarn after finishing the second one because we will use the same yarn to start working on the body. If you're enjoying this tutorial, I'd love your support with a like, a comment or a share, anything that helps me keep creating.